welcome back to Scratch Coding. Today we are going to create very interesting project, and name of this interesting project that is Traffic Awareness Project. Let's start. First of all, we will create our own sprite. So go to the sprite, and here we are going to create one sprite. So take one rectangle, and here we have to create one traffic signal. So I am going to create here one traffic signal. So with the help of line and with the help of rectangle, we have to create here traffic signal. So I am creating here one traffic signal. Okay, here I have created one traffic signal, and now I have to create 3 circles. So for this I have to create another sprite. So click on the paint or new paint. I will use here one red circle. So I have to change the color of this circle. So I will make it red. Right. So like this way I have created one circle, and we have to adjust this circle here. Now we have to duplicate the same sprite. So right click and duplicate. So both the circles are red. So we are going to change the color of this red into yellow. So I will select color that is yellow. And this yellow circle we have to adjust here. And third one, that is green circle I want. So right click and duplicate. And here we are going to change the color, that is green color. So I will change this circle into green. So like this way traffic signal have 3 different types of buttons, that is red, green and yellow. So like this way I have created here one traffic signal. Now I am going to create here one road like structure. So click on the backdrop, and here I will create one road like structure downside, and I will change the color. I will make it black, and afterwards again I will use one more rectangle here, and I will change this color into the white. So we will make it white. Right. So here I have created one road like structure. Now one more sprite I want. So I will select one bus for our program. So this is our city bus I have selected, and I will reduce the size of this city bus into the 80. So we will make it little small. So again I will change the size, that is 70. So this is our bus. Right. So for this program we have created our sprite also, and we have used one sprite, that is city bus. Now let's start the coding. First of all we have to do the code for red sprite. So click on the red sprite, and here we are going to use very simple block. Let's start. First I will use here when green flag click. Now afterwards go to the control, and here I am using the forever block, and in the forever block we have to use the different types of blocks. So for this program we want here show and hide block. So I will use here one show block, and now I want to create one variable. So go to the variable, and here we are going to create one variable that is light. So I have created one variable that is light variable. Now this block, that set variable, we have to adjust here, that is set light to 0. And now I have to create one broadcast message. So go to the broadcast, and here we have to create one new message, that is red. So here I have typed red. I have created one message, and afterward I will create one. I will add here wait command. So instead of 1 second I want 3 seconds. So I will add here 3 seconds, and afterwards I will add here hide. Now again go to the variable, and here we are going to use the same block, that is set light to 1. After this set light to 1, here I have to use wait command, and afterwards I have to use hide command. So I will duplicate the block here. You can see here I have adjusted block, wait 3 seconds, hide, and set light to 2. Now once again you see here, after broadcast message I have used a wait command, afterwards hide command, then I have used set light to 1. After set light to 1 I have used the wait 3 second, hide command, and then set light to 2 second 2, and afterwards I am going to add one wait command. So I will add here wait command, wait 3 second. Okay, our code is ready for red button. Now second, that is green, so click on the green. Here I am going to add here green flag. Afterward green flag I have to use here for your block, so I will use here for your block. In the for your block again I have to use here hide and show command. So I will use here first hide command. After hide command I have to use here one wait command. Here I will change time, that is wait 3 seconds. Afterwards I have to use this show command. Now we have to create here one broadcast message. So go to the event and here we are going to create one new broadcast message. So click new message and here we are going to write green. Okay, we have created one green. Afterward this broadcast message we have to use wait command and hide command. So I will duplicate the same block here, wait 3 seconds, and here I have used that hide command. Instead of that show command we want here hide. So go to the looks and here we are going to add here wait command. And now one more time I have to use here wait 3 seconds. Right, this is our code for green button. For your block, in the for your block we have used the hide, wait 3 seconds, then I have used the show, then broadcast message. After broadcast message I have used again wait command, then hide and then wait 3 seconds. Now go to the yellow button. So in the yellow button here also we have to use the code when green flag clicked. So I have used here when green flag clicked. Then for your block as usual for your block and hide and show command we are using here. So hide command and next we want that is show command. So afterward we are using this show command. Okay, wait 3 seconds, we have to adjust here wait 3 seconds, and here one more time we are using here hide command and that wait. Okay, instead of that we will duplicate this. Okay, hide and wait 3 seconds, and afterwards we are going to use here show, and here also we have to create one broadcast message. So broadcast message we will create, that is yellow. So like this way we have created the 3 broadcast message, and at last we are using wait 3 seconds. So this is the code for yellow button. We have to do code for bus. So click on the green flag. We are going to add here one green flag. In green flag we have to use here motion, and we are going to add here go to X and Y. After this we are going to add here for your block. So I will use here for your block, and in the for your block I have to use here if then else block. So let us see in if then block we have to use the different types of operator, logical operator and operator. So add here and operator, and in the AND operator we have to use one more AND operator. So like this way I have joined 2 AND operator, and here we are going to use the different types of operator, that is equal to operator or less than and greater than operator. So I have added here one equal to operator. Afterwards I will add here one operator, that is greater than operator. So this greater than operator I have to use in this AND operator. So I will add this here. Right. And last I have to use here less than operator. So I will use here less than operator. Like this way. Okay. Now instead of that 50 I have to change this 0. And here we have to use our variable. So already we have created our variable. This light variable we have to adjust here. And in both operators we have to use here X position. So go to the motion, and here we are going to use X position, and here also we are going to use the X position. Now a whole block we have to adjust here. Okay, we are going to use this whole block in if then block. Okay, now let us see. I will reduce little size. Now you can see when red light on At that time, we have to check our X position. See, our bus is moving from this direction to this direction. So when red light on, so in this position, our bus will stop. So what is the position of this bus? That is 96. So I will change this axis, that is 96, and here I will make that is 106. Okay. 96 to 106 our bus will stop. Okay, so we have created our one block, that is if block. Now let us see, here we are going to add the motion block. In the motion block we have to stop our bus, so I will add here 0 state. Otherwise in else block we have to reverse it, so I will use here -5. And now one more if block I have to use, so go to the control. Here we are using if block. Little I will increase the size. Okay, and in the if block we have to use one block, that is touching block. When this bus touching to the edge of this border, we have to change our again X and Y position. So go to the motion block and we can use the same X and Y position. Okay, so I will make, okay, we want this block only, that X and Y. So I will make duplicate copy of it and we will add in this if block. Okay, we have added the different types of block here. Now let us see, we will run the program and we will check. See, at the time of red light that bus is stopped. Now at the time of green light that bus is moving right. It means that our project is running properly. We have created one traffic awareness program successfully. So I hope you may have understood this topic. You may have understood this project, how to create this traffic signal. So thank you and have a nice day. So bye everyone.